Well, I got inside just in time. I left that tank sitting right there yesterday and it's not there now. Oh, wait. That's because I've already taken it out. Pressure washed the shit out of the outside and the inside. There's still stuff on the outside, but it's pretty much stained or rubbed into the plastic. And then it does this. When we get blue spots in the sky, it starts to do this. It was totally overcast this morning. Foggy, probably 200-300 feet up the hill from there up. And as soon as we got a couple little blue spots, but tank's sitting right over there, upside down. It's got as much drained out of it as I can get. I'm trying to decide what to do to finish drying it. I'm thinking either just run air in the drain, which is currently at the top, and just let air do its thing. That and time. Oh, that reminds me, I probably should grab the fuel cap. It's right there. And the petcock. It wasn't even tight. I don't know if we bumped it coming out and broke it loose or what, but it's like, wow. So anyway, I think I'm going to do a little more pressure washing because the dump trailer can use the pressure washing and then I can get it unhooked. I don't need it at the moment. Hopefully that tractor will start. And no new babies yet. Minnie's standing there and her udder's full. That's the 2-year-old laying there that isn't doing much yet. The one out there working on that tub, she's getting pretty damn close. But then first timers will get looser than loose, and I've seen them dripping milk for a week before they do anything. Her udder's been full for about 3 or 4 days. That's all I know. Oh yeah, and the pups. Oh guys, what have you been doing? Been getting in trouble? Huh? I had Balin and Ghost standing in front of the skid steer, one between the forks and one next to him when I went to start it earlier. I'm like, guys, I know you want to come up here and sit on my lap, but you don't belong there. I fired it up and picked the forks up. They didn't realize I did it, and then they realized, oh shit. And Balin turned and ran right into the fork. It was right at eye level too. It's like, how'd you miss that? Ah, the funny things that I don't get on camera. Hey, it stopped raining, so look who came outside. And she won't even look now. Hey. Say hi, everybody. Yeah, she got a mouthful of string cheese. There we go. Yeah, cows that are doing nothing.
No.
And hey, look, Becky went up on the hill to clean house, so maybe I can take her Ranger out for a test spin and make sure it's going to work right. Well, I got that as clean as it's going to be. It's no longer growing lichen and that kind of crap. Even though this was stored inside under cover, it was stored at the end of the building, so. And see, this would have been the north side and it was the worst side. But all cleaned up. Good as I'm going to get it for now. There's still some. That stuff can be kind of a pain to get off. And it grows through paint on everything. Oh, yeah, and you know, I didn't get rained on until the last 5 minutes. Story of my life, right? And it's lunchtime, so time to grab a bite. I just grabbed the booster and put on this thing for about 5 minutes while I run the Ranger around. And yeah, the Ranger is better than it was. I'm wondering if it doesn't have an issue with the pressure regulator, because it doesn't fall on its face as bad. Like, it'll keep moving, just definitely changes the sound. And doesn't keep moving as fast. So look into that more, I guess. If I got to pull that to change that, I guess that'll give me an opportunity to check the sending unit for the gauge, see if it's any good. Of course, if it's no good, it's not like I can do anything about it, because you can't get the stuff. Oh well. Puppies are at the back barn barking at something. Okay. Found a dancer up here. And there's Wally. He was in the lot till I got out here, and now he's clear down here. Hey, he's a member of the blackface tribe now. I don't know where he's been rubbing it, but somewhere out there. Could even be here on the rock pile. Wally! Buddy! Hey, look over here. Look over here. Come on, Wally. Wally. You spoiled brat. Huh. Oh, well. I don't know where. Actually, I think most of them are all right there. Right there at the top of the hill, around the trees. And they're scattered out between here and the hillside on the other side of the creek. It's such a life the dogs lead. They've grown up enough that they leave the old guys alone for the most part. Oh, Blue. They've been locked up since Becky put them in their pen over there earlier. They got baths today because they was starting to stink, weren't you, Ghost? Yes, and Balin. Those two went potty since I let them out, but Bandit, he'll probably go inside and then he said, I gotta go potty. Anyway, that's what it looks like now. And the wind's been blowing for about the last half hour. And see if it'll do it. Keeping an eye on that 2-year-old right there. Ty just now noticed that she's all loosened up. Well, she's been loosened up for 3 or 4 days at least. And her udder's been full for the last couple days. So, and I forgot to turn the lights on in the barn last night, so I couldn't see much in the camera, but those 3 haven't been in the barn at night. They've been outside where I can't see anyway. And yeah, I'm just doing a little filler here. Hopefully Becky got it ordered, got a pressure regulator coming for the Polaris. And of course, when I look up pressure regulator, that's when I find all the pump kits that have the pressure regulator with them. You know, in the end, it cost me the same, realistically. And I wanted to get to it today and didn't. Got the plastic and a bunch of crappy chaff in the big bell barn needs to get cleaned up. And a bunch of chaff in that barn needs to get cleaned up. So that not only do the old farts like to crap in the chaff in there, but I'm surprised he's up here and not down there crapping in it. The pups decided a few weeks ago that that was a good place to go. I don't want you going where I have to walk, but that's got to get cleaned up. And tomorrow, I think, is only 7% chance of rain. But between yesterday and today, we've got a 1/4 inch of rain. Well, just shy of, or no, yeah, right at a 1/4. We had 5/100ths of an inch before that. Oh, another one Ty noticed. That's Minnie standing there, staring at us. She's got the runs like she's been out there on wet grass. And Ty got a weird look on her face when she did it earlier, and I said, because her face is in that tub, which is right in front of her. It's either in that, or she's laid down, or she's eating hay. And that gives them the shits, so. Anyway, that's the end of my day. I think I'll take the pups in and they can pick on Becky for a little bit. keep them clean. They were around back last night between the fence along the neighbors and the arborvitae, and they were mud from head to toe when I let them in at 10 o'clock last night. So they needed to clean up anyway. That's our Monday. See if I can get some feed tomorrow and get a hold of Tom and see if he got that cylinder done today, because that was his plan, but his Mondays usually go sideways by 7 o'clock. So hope you all had a great Monday. Hope everybody has a great Tuesday. Thanks for watching.